How you doing? This is Mr. David Bowles. I'm going to give out a discount price for these tickets. You see the $35 tickets. Little Mo, Case, CL Smooth, and Jeff Red. Opening up for this act will be Jay Sass from Jersey. Now they're $35 each. What I'm going to do for y'all people, I'm going to make it an exception. I'm going to give y'all a discount. From here on out, it's going to be $25. $35 tickets, I'm going to give it for $25. If y'all want these tickets, I'm trying to get rid of them. All these tickets, I'm trying to get rid of them. I'm down to my last 20 tickets. My last 20 tickets, I'm trying to get rid of them. $25 for everybody who wants to go to this. Remember, it's an R&B Days. It's at Club 48, June 22nd at Club 48, New York City. CL Smooth, Little Mo, Jeff Red, and opening up Jay Sass from Jersey. Inbox me or hit me at my office number 443-457-8120. I'm Mr. David Bowles, and I confirm this message. Peace.